Hey there, Super Dave here, as he said, without noise. This here is the Pharaoh. Oh, I just said Pharaoh.
Pharaoh, yes.
Pharaoh with his phone number here. He has his own website or his own YouTube channel, in fact. And he's right here with me at the Dundas Square. Maybe you want to show Dundas Square. Turn slowly. It's going to be... Okay. Okay, the big Pharaoh's right down here. So he's going to do a quick trick for us.
Absolutely. Here we go, guys. This is my most, other than the fork, this is my most requested thing that I do. I have 4 loonies. 1, 2, 3, 4. I roll my sleeves up. My sleeves are up. I usually do this on women's legs, but we're going to do this here right now. Now watch, guys. This is going to be really weird, okay? Watch. I'm going to go like this. Keep them really steady. I wave over.
What? Did you see that?
Yeah. Put this one over here.
Want to show me your hands again? Okay, nothing in his hands.
That's so cool. It's crazy.
Ooh. What
the heck?